Unboxing of a package I got today from Supreme. Went ahead and got it started. This is from last week. I took a massive L like a lot of people on the Murakami box logo, but let's see what I got in the mail. And all right, I am really happy about this. A size large Supreme Chrome logo t-shirt. I was shocked I was actually able to manually cop this, and really glad. I love this logo, and I think it's gonna stay for my personal. Mad props to Supreme. They have finally updated their sticker packs, and I got the everything is bleep sticker. I got the Chrome logo sticker, and it looks like I got a box logo too. And I think there's one more thing in this. Yes. All right, cool. Listen, I like this shirt. This is the Dragon tee from last week, and I don't know, I really like it. I think it's really cool. I got it in this kind of dusty sage color, size large, which is my size. I don't know if this is going to be for the personal or not. I'm maybe a little too old to pull this off, but anyway, a really cool shirt. So these are a couple of my cops from last week, and Supreme, in my mind, is really just doing such a good job this year. I mean, this Chrome logo is going to be a classic going forward. And you know, this is kind of interesting, but everything they've done so far this year, in my mind, has been excellent. The MLB collaboration was absolutely awesome. I was able to get the Navy hat, which I really wanted. I wasn't able to get the Navy jacket. That was really tough. So 2 items and some really nice stickers. Chrome logo is probably going to be for the personal. I think this yellow color is really going to look nice this summer. This dusty green, I don't know, I need to look at it more and see if it's the right thing for me. All right, well, stay tuned for some other random videos. Thank y'all, and everybody, please be safe. Lots of hand washing, pay attention to social distancing. All those things are super important. Take care. Bye till next time.